Now we have this. Let's play Grow a Garden. Let's play Grow a Garden, bro.
Okay, sige.
There we go.
Mabubuhay ka pa.
Bro, before I come, you guys should like and subscribe, okay? Smash that like button and comment. Bro, what are these? Let me climb up these stairs. Oh, chill, chill, chill.
May mali ba sa mata?
Wait a second, yo.
Sino na yan?
What is this?
Siguro nagiging
A mini world? Nakita. Bro, why? Why? Oh, say hello to my big orangutan too. It's right over there. Can't you see? It's right over there. It's right over there. See? See its arms? It's right there. Let me just take a view. On my lunchroom. No, I mean balcony. I have two balconies. The kiwi tree is like actually a bit. It's kinda like a. Oh my god, what are those?
siya yung kanino noon.
It's kinda like a tree house but balcony. Has a chair. And this is my lunchroom or dining room, by the way. This is my second balcony, and you can get books there. And for last,
Pati ball pen.
I have a stargazing view and two shops. I have a bamboo shop where I sell bamboos. And for last, I have a selling fruit shop. So free fruits for everyone. I'm not joking. This is my fruit selling shop. Make sure to like and subscribe though. Comment down. W Grow a Garden. Type that, bro. Type that in the comments. type that, bro. Man, I wish I got the Kitsune. I wish I got the Kitsune.
Yung kapatid niya
I
si
wish I've
Mark,
got a
hindi ganun kot dati.
I wish I got
Dahil sa pagkamatay ng nanay niya.
Wait, Zenigan stock! Zenigan stock! Yo, 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 what's this? Zenigan stock!
Nabibili na ako.
But I just don't have enough chi. Bro. How does bro has two? How does bro have two candy blossoms? Two literal candy blossoms. What are these
Gusto
stripes?
niya si Miguel.
Oh yeah, I remember. It's inverted. It's inverted mutation. I already get it, bro. I already get it. No, I'm not gonna steal. I'm not a bad guy. What's this? Bone blossom, bro. How does bro have two candy blossoms and one bone blossom? Nah, that ain't fair. That ain't fair, bro. That ain't fair. Oh my god. How? Wait, what did? What?
Which talaga eh.
Yep, that is definitely a spiked mango.
Tingnan mo kung ano.
Ow!
Ay, paano?
So laggy! Bro, help. Help, bro. Wait, I'ma leave. I'ma leave.
Uy, ano yun?
Leave the game.
Sa tingin mo ba papatayin ko talaga siya? Tataputin ko lang yun. You know, just a little scar on his face.
Wait a sec.
Pero pag
Basket!
sobrang tusok kay
Wait.
Oops.
Wait,
Self-defense.
what's this?
Alam mo, maraming masamang tao dito sa mundong to.
Oh my god.
And that's why there are crazy heroes out there.
Wait,
Para
the
patayin
next update is coming tomorrow.
guys.
It's coming tomorrow in 12 hours. 12 hours.
Alin ako?
9.7 billion. Not bad. Not bad. Not
Or
bad.
crazy hero.
Yep. Where's my garden? Where's my garden? So make sure to smash that subscribe button too. Smash it. Literally smash it, bro. Please, this is a new channel. I just made one video last time. Now I'm gonna upload one right now. Bye!